Hey guys, welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to take out tape-in hair extensions that my daughter had put in, and it's the holidays, so there's nobody available to take them out. So I'm going to show you how to remove tape-in hair extensions, and she needs them out because she's going somewhere and doesn't want them. They're too grown out, and so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple, and it's all you need. So all you need is 91 proof alcohol. I have this on because it smells really intense. And then you need a little spray bottle. I didn't have one, but I had this lid and a water bottle, and it works perfectly fine. So this is before. I'm going to drench the strip that has the glue in it. Rub it in there. And then it's two pieces. So you're pulling it out. If it looks like it's pulling the hair out, put a little more of the rubbing alcohol, because you don't want to pull the real hair out with it. And then her real hair, there's just one little strand of her real hair. But the important part is here, this glue, you want to make sure you remove it with the rubbing alcohol. Don't leave it in there. So we've got the bottom layer out. This is her actual real hair. And okay, so far we've got this much out and a lot more to go. You have to like kind of rub it in like this and let it like sit for a second. That's the hair. This is the hair it was stuck to, this little strand of hair. And then you have all this glue residue. That's stuck in the hair, so you have to really work the alcohol in there to get it out, because you don't want to just leave this in the hair. Look at all that. So put a little bit of Dawn dish soap. And there you go. It's all gone. Now, go to the next one. She has a lot in there, so it's taking a while. So we've literally been taking hair out for about an hour now because of the amount of hair she had put in. The smell of the alcohol is definitely overwhelming, and I don't know how healthy it is to be spraying all this alcohol on your scalp, but it's the only way to get the glue off. Otherwise, you can't get the glue out. I'm sure they probably sell at Sally's Beauty Supply or something a type of product that would remove this glue, but it's Christmas and everything is closed. So here we are. We are continuing on. It's taking a long time because she had a lot of extensions in, but the most challenging part of it is the glue residue that's left. Some of the extensions, as you're pulling the extension out, they have so much glue and some have less. So I'm assuming it's from when you go washing your hair while you're wearing it. But you have to pull, because it's taped together, so don't ever pull one without pulling the other. Pull them both together. And then you push them back together. Now she's going to go take a shower, wash her hair like 3 or 4 times, and then we'll get to see what it looks like before and after. That's how much hair we got out of her head. Literally, I'm gonna count them. So this is what it looks like now that all her extensions are gone. So I hope that this video helped you if you're trying to get tape-in extensions out. It was super easy. Took a long time, but it was easy. She had to wash her hair about 3 or 4 times afterwards, so be prepared to wash your hair quite a few times to get the glue out. And that's it. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If it was helpful, if you have any comments, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see a next video. And I hope you have a blessed and wonderful week. Bye.